Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will be showing you how to create a Stripe account. So let's get started. So first, you just have to go to any web browser and then type Stripe. Now click the very first link which you can see. Now Stripe is a platform for businesses to process credit cards and make online payments. The money must be sent to the vendor when a customer purchases a thing online. So Stripe facilitates the quick and safe transfer of money from a bank account or credit card to the seller's account. So as you can see, this is the interface of Stripe, and we can see here financial infrastructure for the internet. Above here, you can see the features like products and so on. If you want to know more about Stripe, then you can scroll down here and see tons of information about this platform. Now, above here, you can see featured like Stripe. They also have this product, solutions, developers, resources, and pricing. So if you go to products, you see your information about payments, bills, sourcing, elements, payment links, connect, climate, and so on. So all you have to do is to click if you want to know more. Same goes with the developers, also with the resources, and also with the pricing. Okay, so here you can compare the features if you're using the basic version and the upgraded version. So if you scroll down here, you can see its connections and you can see more information about the Stripe, about the payment, accept and optimize payments globally. You can tap to start with payments if you are decided to create your Stripe account. Now, the most effective and user-friendly software for online payments is Stripe, which consists of a payment processing platform and a credit card payment gateway, both of which are necessary for every successful online transaction. So this one is very useful, especially if you're a freelancer or if you have clients outside your country, such as US or United Kingdom and so on. Because this one, or if you use this as a payment method, then it would be easier for both parties or both people. Now, to start, what you're going to do is to click the Start Now and it will take you directly to another link. Now you have to make sure that you have your working email address. So you have to type your email address here. You have to select your country and also your password. Make sure that you have a unique password. After that, you have to click this box and then tap this create account. Now you have to prove to them that you're 100% human. Now go back to your email address to verify your account and get started. So open your email address and then click the link from Stripe, and that's how you verify your account. If you cannot receive any, then all you have to do is to click this resend email address or contact them if you see or encounter some problems. So this is the interface, or this is what it looks like. As you can see, you need to set up or you need to be fully verified in order for you to proceed with the transaction or to proceed with creating or building your account here in Stripe. So you have to start with some basics like your business location and your type of business. So tap or look for your location here, and then for type of business, everything is up to you, but you can start with individual. Anyways, you can see different options once you tap at this arrow facing down here or facing up. Now click continue once you're done. So for personal details, obviously you have to type your legal name. You have to make sure that you type your legal name or correct name. Also your date of birth and your working email address. Also your home address here. You have to recheck and make sure that these are all correct. And then also your phone number. After that, you can now click continue or proceed. Now, after the personal details is the business details. So if you have your business details, then obviously all you have to do is to type your business details here if you have. Others here are optional, so everything is up to you, but you have to put your legal name again, your team number, your business address, state, industry. Okay, so you have to select your industry, for example, clothing and accessories. Business website, if you have your website, so you can paste here your WordPress or your Wix or whatever website you have. Now, after that, you have to save and then proceed with fulfillment details. So describe how you fulfill orders. Do you sell physical goods? You can tap yes or no. And then on average, how long after paying will your customers typically receive their goods or services? So you can choose within 2 weeks or everything is up to you. After that, proceed with public details. So you have to enter and answer the information. Now, if you don't know what is the meaning of this, and you can go to the right side, and as you can see, they have provided the meaning of each here, like the statement scripture, shortened scripture, which is optional, customer support phone number, and so on. So all you have to do is to enter some information here. Now let's go to your bank account. So all you have to do is to scroll down and look for your bank account. If you can see it here, then you can go to the search bar and then type your bank account. Now, if you can still see it, and then you have to manually or you have to enter the bank details manually. So routing number, account number, confirm account number, and then after that, click submit. Okay. Now go to secure your account. So you have to click or use this authenticator application or add a security key that is for your own good so that if someone wants to hack your account, then they cannot easily or they won't be successful because of this two-step authentication. Okay, so after you have added a security key or use authenticator application, then you can go to tax calculation. So if you don't know the meaning of this, then you just have to click, and then they will provide the information on the right side. And then go to climate contributors. And you can set your contributor here. Okay. But actually, you can just do it later if you want. So you can also tap this and no thanks or click this continue with one person. Then after that, that's it. You can now review and finish. So review your details here from your name, business details, public details. Actually, I have my Stripe account already. So for this tutorial purposes, for the purpose of this tutorial, I just show you how to do it step by step. Okay, so all you have to do is to collect or to simply prepare the information needed here, especially your legal name, your business name, your location, your number, and your bank account, your TIN number, and so on. So if we have this information, then it would be easier for you to create your Stripe account. You can proceed with the transaction. So this is the interface. Here you can see home balances, transactions, customers, and so on. Payments, billing, reporting. So everything is very easy and accessible once you have created your Stripe account. So all you have to do is to prepare those information, enter the correct information, and then create your account. Then you can have your transaction here in Stripe. If you have found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.